Students, we are going to discuss a chapter on measuring time calculations. So, read this problem. We need to determine the time taken for turning a workpiece to reduce the diameter from 40 mm to 30 mm over a length of 150 mm. So, if the cutting speed is 200 meter per minute and the feed is 0.4 mm per revolution, how much time will it take for turning the workpiece to reduce the diameter 40 to 30 mm? So, that we want to find out. Okay. So, before you discuss on this problem, we will discuss some general matters. If you take any machining operation, 3 movements are necessary. Those 3 movements are cutting speed, feed and depth of cut. The cutting speed in a lathe is given by rotating the workpiece using a chuck. The feed in a lathe is given by moving the tool in the axial direction, and the depth of cut is given by moving the tool in the radial direction. Now, let us come to this problem. The formula for finding the time taken for turning is given by T is equal to L by F into N. L is the length of the travel of the workpiece, length of travel of the tool. Okay. So, here for our problem it is 150 mm. We have to reduce the diameter or length of 150 mm. And F is the feed in mm per revolution. Okay, what is feed in a lathe? For every revolution of the workpiece, how much is the tool moved in the axial direction? So, that is the feed in mm per revolution, and N is the RPM. Okay, at what revolutions per minute the chuck is rotated. So, now we have to reduce the diameter from 40 to 30 mm. The maximum depth of cut permissible is 2.5 mm. So, initially the tool is moved radially by 2.5 mm. When you move the tool by radially 2.5 mm, when you allow the tool to move here, the workpiece diameter will be reduced from 40 to 35 mm. Okay, how? 2.5 is the radial movement. So, double the 2.5 is equal to 5 mm. So, the diameter will be reduced by 5 mm. So, in the first pass or first cut, the diameter will be reduced from 40 to 35. Again, you have to move the tool second time from right to left. The diameter will be reduced from 35 to 30 mm. So, before you use this formula for finding the time in the first cut, first you have to find the N value. So, N is given by this formula. See, the cutting speed is S is given by pi dN by 1000. Okay. The cutting speed is mentioned in meter per minute. Okay. So, D is the diameter in mm and N is the RPM, and why you are dividing by 1000? Since the diameter is specified in mm, you are dividing by 1000 to convert it to proper unit. In the book, the diameter is specified in centimeter. In that case, you have to divide with 100. So, from this, I find out the N value as 1000 S by pi D. So, this is the formula for finding the RPM. So, 1000 into S is the cutting speed. It is given as 200 meter per minute in the problem, and pi into diameter is 40 mm. So, initially we are reducing the diameter from 40 to 35 mm. So, 40 is the initial diameter. So, we are getting 1591.55 as the RPM of the chuck for the first cut. So, when you substitute everything in this formula, L is 150, F is the feed 0.4 mm per revolution, and N is the 1591.55. You are getting 0.236 as the time taken for first cut. Similarly, you have to find the time taken for second cut. So, for finding the time taken for second cut using this formula, first you have to find the N value. So, the N value So the n value is okay again found out using this formula 1000 s by pi d. Now the diameter is 30 mm for the second pass, second cut. So this RPM is 1819 RPM. So you have to substitute here to find the time taken for second cut. It is 0.206. So when you add the time taken for first cut, the time taken for second cut, you are getting 0.442 minutes as the time taken for reducing the diameter from 40 mm to 30 mm over a length of 150 using 2 cuts. Thank you.